Hey there, welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today we're taking a close look at the Y-Klaus 8750, an electric head shaver that's a total game changer for anyone wanting to maintain that clean, bald look without the hassle of traditional razors. If you want a smooth scalp in minutes, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we're taking a close look at the Y-Klaus 8750, an electric head shaver that's a total game changer for anyone wanting to maintain that clean, bald look without the hassle of traditional razors. If you want a smooth scalp in minutes, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The Y-Klaus 8750 is built specifically for men who want a fast and comfortable way to shave their head. What really sets this apart is the upgraded 6D floating head system. Instead of struggling with a single blade, you have 6 independent cutter heads that flex and move with the natural shape of your head, face, and neck. This means you get way more coverage in every single stroke, which drastically cuts down on your grooming time. It covers a large area quickly, so you aren't stuck in front of the mirror for longer than you need to be. Another huge plus is the IPX6 waterproof rating. This gives you the freedom to shave however you like. You can do a quick dry shave when you're in a rush, or use it with your favorite shaving foam or gel in the shower for an even smoother experience. Cleaning up is just as easy because the removable shaving head can be washed right under running water. The precision blades are double layered for closeness, and they feature a magnetic design. You can just pop them off to give everything a deep clean, keeping the device hygienic and sharp for a lot longer. When it comes to power, the Y-Klaus 8750 really delivers. It gives you up to 120 minutes of cordless shaving on a full charge. That is enough to last for weeks of daily touch-ups without needing to find a plug. There is a built-in LED display that is super intuitive, so you always know exactly how much battery life you have left. Plus, it has a handy travel lock feature. By holding the button for 3 seconds, you can lock the device so it does not accidentally turn on in your gym bag or suitcase, which is perfect for guys who are always on the move. Whether you are someone who shaves every morning, or you just want to keep things polished for the weekend, this tool makes the whole process effortless. It is designed to be durable, easy to hold, and reliable for your daily routine. If you are tired of the nicks and cuts that often come with standard razors, and you want a more modern, comfortable way to keep your head smooth, this is a fantastic choice to help you stay looking your best. Maintaining a bald head has never been this simple or fast. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals on this shaver. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more great product finds. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.